So we continue this. Let's say we did not take this trade for whatever reason, we missed it. That's fine. Okay, the market gives us ample opportunities every single day. We just have to be patient in taking it. So I can go minute by minute replay and just see what happens. Now, if you see here, we are back to the opening price range here, almost there, and the stochastic RSI is very low. I can just wait and see what happens. And it's broken through that low, it's coming down. Usually, here is another tip. Once you have a pre a previous day high and a previous day low marked out, and price rejects on the SPY or the ES here from one zone, there's a very good chance it goes all the way to the bottom. Okay. So in this case, let's just wait and see what happens. But even before going all the way to the bottom, we will get a lot of opportunities to make our $200 to $250 a day. So let's keep going. Keeps going over here, keeps going down, pushing, pushing, pushing. Okay. So now you see here, the RSI is in a very oversold range over here. You see that? Okay. Very low here. Stochastic RSI is also low here, and they're both curving around, and it looks like it's going up. So this is a good place to wait and watch what happens. I'm not just taking a trade because it's going up and the stochastic RSI is low and the RSI is low. I'm going to wait and use my Fibonacci. Okay. So here is the another high on the price, right? This is a high. Okay. It's called, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high on the 1 minute chart. From this high, okay, this one here, if I take the fib again to this low, I want to see if it again gives us goes to the 0.68 and comes back down. Let's see that. It goes up. Okay, look at that. It went and it wicked up. You see that? It touched the 0.618. Now, I can literally wait for the price to come up here and put an order right here and take it back down, at least to this. Okay. Now I'm on the SPY chart. So let's go to ES. Okay. So on the ES, here is the low. Here is the high. This is not the pre-market, previous day low. So let's take that off. Okay. It touched this. You see that? Okay. When I went all the way down here, I drew my fib from the previous high to this low. Why? Because look, this low is a low that RSI confirms it's a low, stochastic RSI confirms it's a low. I'm just waiting to see if price comes back to 618. It did, it touched it. It can still go up. I don't know. Okay. But I can risk 1:2 risk to reward, take a trade over here and go at least to the bottom over here. That's 7 points, 8 points. You look at that, right? I don't even have to take 8 points. I can literally just go from here to maybe over here. That's 5 points. And in one contract, that's $250. Okay, but let's see what happens. Look at that. Boom. Huge rejection at that point. And then let's see what happens. Look at that. It keeps going. You see that? And as it keeps going, we can take some partial profits here and stuff like that. But if I go back to the SPY, I want to show you, okay, this is a previous day low, and literally price actually keeps on going all the way till it hits that zone. So usually, just out of experience, I can tell you SPY goes zone to zone, right? So even if over here, you could have taken this trade, knowing nothing else, previous day high, and gone all the way down there. That's 28 points. But if you didn't do that, you could have taken over here. You see that? Again, the 618 from the previous high, and either taken off here, and then leave one contract all the way to the bottom here. That's 18 points. Okay. 18 points on ES. How much is that? Okay. 1 point is $50. 18 times 50. 18 times 50. That's $900. $900 on one contract. $1,000 a day, guys. Okay. Literally as simple as that. Okay. What time is it? It's only 10:40. You're done for the day. Okay. Now you can walk away. The rest of the day is yours. You made $900. Even if you only made 250 or 400 or $500, that's something. But the whole point is I want you to understand market gives us opportunities. Now we saw it hit the previous day low. Now I'm waiting to see if you want to take any more trades. Is it going to keep breaking down? Is it going to go up and just go? Okay, it broke down, it's keep going down. Okay, now it's coming back up. Again, I can risk it from here to here and see the same Fibonacci. Does it appear or not? Okay, look at that. Oh my God, you see that? Again, almost touched here. 0.618 and went down here. Just this one trade, it's on the ES from here to here. That's the 5 points, 1 minute. Okay. Now, usually I won't take that trade because if I made my money here, I don't want to overtrade. I've learned it the hard way, but you get the idea. The market gives you ample opportunities, especially SPY. Watch the SPY and trade the ES. If you have your zones marked out and if you're good with your Fibonacci and there's confluences of stochastic RSI, printing money is a no-brainer.